Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this Ctronics 2K 4MP outdoor camera set. Because it's a set, because it comes wireless function, solar powered security cam with integrated 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery. It's a solar spotlight, a PTZ camera, 2560 to 1440p, night vision included, PIR human detection included, two-way audio included, and IP66. That means you can use it the entire year outdoor if you like. The solar security cam here can rotate 360 degrees horizontally, 95 degrees vertically, and it's equipped with upgraded 2K 4 megapixel 2560 to 1440 resolution. The PTZ auto cam shows the picture clearer than the 1080p security cams. We can see nearly everything clearly. Thanks to the built-in spotlight, this solar cam provides us with a full color night vision images for up to 25 meters. The solar powered security cam has a built-in 10,000 mAh capacity battery, which can last up to 4 weeks. In addition, the solar panel can provide uninterrupted solar energy for the outdoor security cam, achieving 100% wireless in the true sense of the word. The 100% wireless outdoor Wi-Fi cam is easy to set up, as you can see, and frees us from cable and hassle. It's hassle-free, babe. The wireless solar security cam uses dual PIR and human detection for more accurate detection of the human body, and a quick 0.2 seconds wake up to capture all human movement. The CCTV outdoor solar cam alerts sensitivity can be adjusted between low and medium-high levels. Accurate and real-time notifications will be sent to our smartphone when the motion detection is on and a motion is detected. With a built-in microphone and a speaker, we can use the PTZ with the cam to communicate with our family or visitors anytime, anywhere. Not only hearing the sound through the cam, but also speaking with our kids, for example, delivery people, or other strangers too. The Wi-Fi outdoor cam is equipped with IP66 rated weatherproof outer casing. This works really nice even in any extreme weather conditions like rain, fog, sun, exposure, snow, etc. The 2K outdoor cam wireless power supports multiple users online, reviewing at the same time. We can share happy time together with our fam, members or friends. The 2K outdoor security cam has a built-in micro SD card slot and supports up to 128 GB SD cards. Any details will be recorded in the PTZ cam outdoor. We can play back the videos on our mobile phone at any time because we have an app for it. Ctronics is established in 2014. Ctronics is a professional global provider in intelligent home security cam solutions. They have always been dedicated to developing and upgrading the high-tech security camera systems like solar cameras, 4G cameras, 1080p, 2K and 4K, and other outdoor and indoor cams. With excellent cameras, the brand enjoying a good reputation and gain great trust from millions of users in the United States, Europe, Japan, and of course other countries. This Ctronics outdoor security cam comes with a wireless and with solar panel included. That means 100% wire-free, solar-powered, battery-powered. That's a really nice thing. 2K 4MP HD for clear and brighter images. PIR and radar human detection reduces the false alert to 95%. Only 5% are false alerts. That's really cool. And 2 infrared LEDs and 2 powerful spotlights provides the full color night vision up to 25 meters. Two-way audio makes real-time communication. It's no longer a prop. 100% wireless makes the installation much easier. You does not need any wire, any power supply. The only thing you have to need is the solar powered panel. And this you can install near the cam, and the cam will make the job easily, and the energy comes from the sun in the sky. Really cool. Two charging methods, solar powered, or we can charge powered. That means we can use a power pack, a power bank. We can use an AC adapter as well. It's no problem. It's possible. But I think the main feature here is the solar powered version. And 10,000 mAh can provide 4 weeks of use, 100% wireless. Only supports smartphone, not supports personal computer access, because we will need an app for it. If we have that app, we can enter it easily, okay? It only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It supports not 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, but this is not hard for you, because every router out there which can have a 5 gigahertz network, it can a 2.4 also, no problem. And it only supports the Ctronics app, Ctronics. Okay, this is the app's name. And you have to download the Ctronics app, of course. Then switch on the device, and then you go to the app. Dock it or pair it with your Wi-Fi network. After this, you scan the QR code on the cam. And after this, these two devices can easily pair it together by using voice. Not your voice, but communication voice. And then it's job's done. Your cam is there and you can use it. It does not support zoom optic. It does not support 724 recording, because it only supports if you make a remote access or because of the movement detection. And it does not support RTSP or ONVIF and NVR. It only supports micro SD cards, and the SD card is not included. You have to buy them separately. But nearly everyone does have a micro SD card, isn't it? The Ctronics wireless solar security cam with a 2K 4MP and 2560 to 1440 Super HD resolution comes with a Color Night Vision and an IR Night Vision too. With 2K 4MP, that means high resolution is possible. The Ctronics solar security cam gives us a super clear video and photo, as you can see. With the Wi-Fi security cam, it is equipped with 2 spotlights and 2 infrared LEDs, so you can use the spotlights to make a color night vision, and you can use the infrared for a really nice infrared picture. It's a really good picture, as you can see in that video here, and the distance is at maximum of 25 meters. And we get a notification if some stranger or other human is detected by the cam onto our phone. That's really cool. We can make a 2 installation method. A separated installation, that means we can attach the solar panel near 3 meters cable. For 3 meters cable are included to get a separate installation of the solar panel and the cam itself, or you make it in an all-in-one installation. I like the all-in-one installation much. Really, this is so cool. And it's because of this, it's 100% wire-free. Wireless, baby. Totally wireless. And we have 2-way audio. We have multi-user sharing worldwide. And the dimensions are 8.8 inches to 6.2 inches, the panel, and 5.5 inches to 3.7 inches, the cam, and 4.1 inches to 4.2 inches, the body of the camera mounting bracket for the camera. And it's IP66 weatherproof, SD card storage possibility, and we have a pan 355 degrees and a tilt 90 degrees. It's really cool. It makes a good job, I think, and it looks really professional and really nice. You see it, and now you can hear it.
So here we are. Now you can hear the microphone is working on this camera, and you can see good video quality. The sound is okay, of course, because you have to think about this is a mobile camera system which you can reload or powered by a solar power system. Really cool idea. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!